Hello, I'm Katie. Would you like to listen to me? These are the three disasters: earthquake, tsunami, and volcanic eruption. What is earthquake? An earthquake is a shaking of the ground caused by the sudden breaking and movement of large sections, tectonic plate of the Earth's rocky outermost crust. Risk reduction: prepared and unprepared. What should we do before an earthquake? Know if your place is near an active fault by visiting or downloading tremors. Follow structural design and engineering practices when constructing a home and buildings. Locate master switches and shut-off valves for all utilities and know how to turn them off.
During an earthquake,
Do not try to heroically rescue someone or venture indoors. Your best bet is to stay outside. If in vehicle, stop as quickly as possible and stay away in vehicle. Stay away from the glass, windows, and heavy furniture or appliances that may fall.
after earthquake, make noise without shouting because dangerous particles can be inhaled.
Immediately clean up spilled medicines, drugs, and other potentially harmful materials, and use extreme caution when cleaning up split chemical. Be prepared for additional aftershocks.
How about tsunamis?
Seconds.
A large wave caused by an earthquake.
Before tsunami,
Watch TV about on how to use first aid and CPR like Red Alert. Your local Red Cross should teach your survival techniques in the water. Local areas should provide poster or flyers about evacuation instruction.
during tsunami,
Be aware of risks such as hypothermia from cold water or drowning from running water. Forget your things and go to the highest places. Monitor the tsunami's progress and listen for warnings or instructions from local officials.
after tsunami,
Be aware of signs of a tsunami for more waves. Don't use electricity when there's flood inside your house. Stay away from debris in the water. It may pose a safety hazard to people or pets.
Created using Powtoon.